pot. Peeps. Pot now my peeps. Voila! Check in my peeps, so I go on them on you know. Welcome back to the channel you know. Give thanks for your support all the time my beautiful peeps. So today my beautiful peeps, I'm gonna look for some curry, fish and rice and peas food in my peeps. So just stay tuned, watch what I go on. In my peeps, so the red peas have cooked now. So I'm gonna transfer this into this pot. I'm not gonna cook everything you know. That is it. That is the rice pot. I mash up some rice and peas you know. So just stay tuned my peeps. Now we're adding some coconut milk powder. So we're gonna let this boil a little bit before we add the rice. Yeah, my peeps, so we already added salt already before we add in the rice. Now we'll get a stir around, you know what I mean? That is it. Stay tuned when everything finished, my peeps. Check in, my peeps, so I go check on the rice now. Look at that, man. Rice shelly, my peeps. You know, no. So we're going to take this off our fire now, my beautiful peeps. Then we're going to look for some curry fish, you know. Stay tuned for that, my peeps. Check in, my peeps, so we'll get them fishes here scale up fast and quick, you know. It's already gutted. Both of them already gutted, my peeps. So we just take off a few scales them off them, you know. Get on the pot on the fire now, my peeps, to deal with the curry fish, you know. Oil in the pot now, my peeps. I'm gonna burn the curry and garlic in a minute. Garlic in the pot. Now we'll add the curry. We'll let this burn, my peeps, before we add in the natural seasoning them, you know, my peeps. So I'm gonna show the natural seasonings in a minute, you know. Yeah, man, stay tuned for that, my peeps. Curry fish and rice and peas. So go wicked. Right here, my peeps, we have ripe plantain, Irish, carrot, bell pepper. You know what I mean? And we have pumpkin in it as well. So we are going to add everything in the pot now, my peeps. Check in, my peeps, now we are adding in some coconut milk. Scotch bonnet pepper. Check in, my peeps, fishes them here. Well, scale up, clean up nice and pretty, wash off already. So I'm just going to give them a few slices on the sides like this, so that the seasoning can get to soak into the flesh, you know. Yeah, man, we have original jerk seasoning, you know. Me not left out the jerk seasoning on my peeps. That is it. Don't know, my peeps. The curry sauce is already on the fire. With all the natural seasoning in it, I go and cook down in the meantime, you know. So we make all of them natural seasoning the pre-cook before we add in the fish. Yeah, Jimmy. Now we add a little salt, my peeps. You team, my peeps. That is it, you know. Look at that, man. Curry sauce I go and pot there, you know. You tea pre. Check in my beautiful peeps now. We are getting some rooster noodle into the pot, my peeps. You know, no. Then we are going to add in the fishes. Stay tuned for that, peeps. Time to get in the fishes, my peeps. You know what I mean? Cut that, my peeps. Then we're going to add in butter. Stay tuned, my peeps. Some curry fish and rice and peas. No. Subscribe to the channel, man. Jblacks TV. At it again, my peeps. Now we are getting the butter. I cover it up now, my peeps. Check in back when everything finished and I consume some food in my beautiful peeps. Yeah, my beautiful peeps. I eat this in now. Eat this right now, my peeps. Ready and going, you know. Cut that, man, gravy well rich. You see, pre? Time for consume some food now, you know. Check in for that, my peeps. Yeah, my beautiful peeps. So I'll go on a plate there now, man, you know. Rice and peas and curry fish. You know, I know. So we are going to dig in it now, my peeps. Let you guys know what's going on. So this is the rice and peas with some of the curry sauce. We have our piece of rice plantain right there. Ooh! Voila, my peeps! Brother! Can taste the rice plantain. Sweetness of rice plantain in it, my peeps. But Ooh! Voila! What this food, my peeps? So Irish. Curry gun fish, yeah. Body rice and peas, my peeps. Oh, I am my peeps. Very delicious. Fish. I'm getting out the fish now, my peeps. Scoop up some of the rice and some of the curry sauce on the fish, you know. Ooh. You know now. Rice and pizza. Shelly and nice. But my peeps. Ooh. Voila. Give thanks if you make it this far in my video in my peeps. Man, much love and respect all the time, you feel. Each up in one corner, you feel, you see me? Finish the video, make on the so go on, you know. Bud! Voila! Curry fish. Bud! The steam a come out like my piece full hot in the man, you know? You know now? Ooh. Voila! Yeah, I mean, peeps? Take care of yourself, you know my style already, you know what I mean? So, subscribe to the channel, my beautiful peeps. Yeah, man, much love and respect all the time, man. Man, take care of yourself, you know? Catch you in our next video, my peeps.